Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. If you're passionate about learning SolidWorks and improving your 3D modeling skills, you've come to the right place. On our channel, we provide tutorials, tips, and projects to help you master SolidWorks step by step. In today's tutorial, we're going to explore an essential example that's perfect for beginners and a great way to expand your SolidWorks skills. By the end of this video, you'll have learned how to analyze a 2D drawing, create detailed sketches, and transform them into a 3D model using some of SolidWorks' most useful tools. If you're new to SolidWorks or want to sharpen your skills, this is the perfect project for you. Let's get started. Before we dive into SolidWorks, let's take a moment to study the 2D drawing of our example. This design isn't overly complex, but it's an excellent exercise to understand the key concepts. The drawing provides 3 essential views, complete with dimensions. Take your time to carefully analyze it, as this will help you understand how to approach the modeling process. Now, open SolidWorks and start a new document by selecting the part template. Begin by using the top plane to create a sketch. Using the slot sketch tool, draw the base shape and add the necessary dimensions from the 2D drawing. Next, draw a circle with a 62 mm diameter in the center of the slot. Use lines to connect the circle to the slot. Ensuring the lines are tangent to the large circle and the smaller circles of the slot. Clean up the sketch using the trim tool, removing any unnecessary lines to match the design. In the same sketch, draw 2 additional circles at the centers of the slot's smaller circles, each with a 12 mm diameter. Once the sketch is complete, extrude it into a 3D model using the extruded boss tool. Set the depth to 15 mm to create the first part of the model. With the base complete, move to the front plane to create the next feature. Start by drawing a construction line in the center for symmetry. Add a line and a circle based on the 2D drawing dimensions and relations. Then trim the sketch to match the design. Use the revolved boss tool to convert the sketch into a 3D model by revolving it around the center construction line. Next, return to the front plane to create a mirrored cut. Draw a new sketch with a center line, a tangent arc, and a large circle to complete the shape. Mirror the entities across the center line and trim the sketch as needed. Use the extruded cut tool to remove material, ensuring the cut passes through the entire part. For additional details, draw a hole on the right plane with a 10 mm diameter, concentric with the large circle. Use the extruded cut tool to create the hole. To refine the design, add a 4 mm fillet to the edges. Add a touch of personalization by selecting a color for the part. This final step brings a polished, professional look to your model. Don't forget the 20 mm diameter hole at the bottom of the part. Draw it and use the extruded cut tool to ensure it cuts through the entire part. Congratulations! You've completed the model. This project is a fantastic way to practice and solidify your SolidWorks skills. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your feedback helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.